Good morning, everyone. So I am Miss Majoy, and I am one of the discussants on topic 2 with Ma'am Shallow and Ma'am Rufa. So my discussion will be on the strategies for addition and subtraction. So I have here 3 strategies for addition and subtraction. Namely, the first one is the split strategy. So this strategy is a process of breaking apart a number based on its place value and then adding or subtracting each individual place to find the answer. Then the second one is the jump strategy. So this strategy is a process of using a number line to add or subtract. And then third is the shortcut strategy. So this strategy is a process of changing one of the numbers to a friendlier number by adding to it. So let us discuss further about these 3 strategies. So first, in addition. So how are we going those 3 strategies in addition? So we have the split strategy. So a split strategy is also known as partial sums or expanded form or decomposition. So kanina po na-define na natin yung split strategy, and sabi doon, split strategy is breaking down the numbers into its place value. So let us have the example. 86 plus 13. So this number 86 and 13, kailangan po natin siyang i-break down or i-split down into its place value na tens and then ones place value. So kapag pinag-split down natin itong 86 and 13 into tens and ones place value, ito na po yun. So ito yung tens value and then ones value ng 86, and then ito naman po yung tens value and then tens place value and then the ones place value of 13. So after po natin may split down into its place value, i-add po natin siya according to its place value also. So first, yung tens place value na muna. So i-add po natin yung tens place value na 80 and then 10. So 80 plus 10 is equal to 90. And then after nung tens, yung ones place value naman, yung 6 and then yung 3. So 6 plus 3 is 9. So after po nating ma-add yung place value, each place value, i-add po natin yung mga results. So 90 plus 9 is equal to 99. So the sum of 86 plus 13 according to split strategy is 99. So or using the split strategy is 99. So let us have another example, 429 plus 151. So i-split down po natin tong 429 and then 151 according to its place value na 100, tens, and ones place value. So kapag pinag-split down po natin tong 429 and 151 to its place value, magiging na po siyang ganito. So, we have the 100, the tens, and then the ones place value ng 429, and then the 100, the tens, and then the ones place value ng 151. And then after that, add po muna natin yung mga 100 nasa 100 place value, yung 400 and 100. So, 400 plus 100 is equal to 500. And then next, yung mga tens place value naman, yung 20 and 50. So that will result to 70. And then last is yung mga nasa ones place value, which is 9 and 1. So 9 plus 1 is 10. And then i-add po natin yung mga results. So 500 plus 70 plus 10 is equal to 580. So that is now the sum of 429 plus 151 using the split strategy in addition. Okay, so the next is the jump strategy. So how do we use the jump strategy in addition? So jump strategy is also known as counting back or number line. So number line because in jump strategy we use number line to add or subtract. So we have the steps. First, start with the largest addend, write it on the number line to the far left. And then next is jump forward the amount of the second addend using friendly numbers. And then third, record the jumps and take note of the answers. Of the answer. Okay, so let us have an example to use this jump strategy. We have 47 and 84. 47 plus 84. So, sabi dito sa first step, start with the largest. So, between 47 and 84, ang largest po dito is 84. So, kaya siya po yung nilagay po natin dito sa far left. 84. And then, sabi dito sa second step, jump forward the amount of the second addend. Ang amount ng second addend natin is 47. Meaning to say, from 84, mag-jump tayo ng 47 times papunta dun sa number na malalandan natin. So, in this case, pig-split po na muna natin yung 47 to 40 and then 7. Kasi ang 40 is a friendly number. So, from 84, mag-jump muna tayo ng 40 times. So, nung pag-jump natin ng 40 times, nagland tayo sa number 124. So, from 124, mag-jump ulit tayo ng 7 times para maging 47 times yung pag-jump natin. So, after jumping 7 times from 124, maglaland tayo dun sa 131. And that would be now the answer, 131. So, nagsimula tayo dun sa largest addend or largest number, and then nag-jump tayo. And then, yung number of jump natin is based on the second number or yung smallest number dito sa given. 47 times. In this case, 47 times tayong nag-jump. And then, yung number na nalandan natin, yun na po yung result. So, yun po yung jump strategy sa addition. Then, we have the third strategy, the shortcut strategy. So, how do we use the shortcut strategy in addition? So, shortcut strategy is also known as friendly numbers or compensation. So, shortcut strategy is changing one's number to a friendly number. So, in this case, in addition, a friendly number is a multiple of 10. So, to use this shortcut strategy, we have the example, 39 plus 54. So, dito po, between 39 and 54, yung gusto natin gawing friendly number. Take note na ang friendly number po dito sa addition is a multiple of 10. So, yung 39 gagawin po natin siyang 40 kasi ang 40 is a friendly number. So, para maging 40 yung 39, mag-a-add po tayo ng 1. So, saan galing tong 1 na in-add po natin sa 39? Dito po yan galing sa 54. So, naghiram po tayo ng 1 dito sa 54. Kaya mababawasan yung 54, magiging na siyang 53. So, i-add po natin yung mga results. 40 plus 53 is equal to 93. Okay, so we have the next example. 547 plus 194. So, in this case, ang gusto naman natin gawing friendly number is 194. So, para maging friendly number yung 194, mag-a-add po tayo dito ng 6 para maging 200. And saan po galing yung 6? Hiniram po natin sa 547. Kaya po yung 547, magiging na lang siyang 541 kasi pinawasan po natin siya ng 6 na idinagdag po natin sa 194. And then add the results. 200 plus 541 is equal to 741. So, yun po yung shortcut strategy in addition. So, paano naman po kaya kung sa subtraction? Paano naman po sa subtraction? So, gamitin po natin yung tatlong strategy sa subtraction. So, first is split strategy. So, how do we use split strategy on subtraction? So, we have the steps. First is split the minuend and subtrahend into their places, the ones, the tens, and then the hundreds. Second, subtract each place, trade or borrow if needed. And then third, write in standard form. So, to use this split strategy, let us have an example. We have 165 minus 57. Sabi dito, split the minuend and subtrahend into their places or place value, the ones, tens, and hundreds. So, kapag pinag-split natin yung 165 and then 57, ganito na po yan. So, kapag pig-split po natin yung 165, ito na po yung split form nun. So, we have the 100, the tens, and then the ones place value ng 165. And then yung 57 naman, yung split form naman po nun is ito na po. So, we have the tens and then the ones place value. And then, subtract na po natin. So, 5 minus 7 cannot be. So, ang gagawin natin, magbaborrow tayo ng 10 sa 60. Kaya yung 60, magiging na lang siyang 50. And then, yung 5, kasi nagborrow tayo ng 10 dito sa 60, magiging po siyang 15. So, 15 minus 7 is 8. And then, 50 minus 50 is 0. And then, bring down 100. And then, add po natin yung mga results. We have 100 plus 0 plus 8 is equal to 108. So, yun na po yung difference ng 165 and 57 using the split strategy. So, the second strategy is the jump strategy. So, in subtraction, we have these steps also. First, start with the subtrahend. Write it on the number line to the far left. Then, next, use friendly numbers to count up to the minuend. Use a combination of ones, tens, and hundreds. And then, third, record the jumps and take note of the answers. So, to use this strategy, let us have this example. So, same example na lang po yung ginamit ko dun sa first strategy dito sa subtraction. Yung 165 minus 57. Just to show you how the jump strategy process. So, sabi dito sa first step is start with the subtrahend. So, between 165 and 57, alin po dito yung subtrahend? So, yung subtrahend po dito is 57. Kaya yung 57 yung nilagay ko po dito sa my far left. Sabi dito, lagay daw natin yung subtrahend dito sa far left. So, yung 57. And then, use friendly numbers to count up to the minuend. Use a combination of ones, tens, and hundreds. So, dito, para makapunta po tayo sa 165, unti-unti po tayo magja-jump. So, gagamitin po natin yung mga friendly numbers. So, ang friendly numbers na nagamit is 60. 60 is a friendly number. So, from 57, mag-jump po tayo papunta sa 60. Ilang beses po tayo mag-jump papunta ng 60? 3. And then, mag-jump ulit tayo sa isang friendly numbers ulit, which is 65. 65 is a friendly number, mas madaling number. So, mag-jump tayo from 60 to 65. So, ilang beses po tayo mag-jump? Mag-jump po tayo ng 5 times. And then, from 65, mag-jump ulit tayo papunta na dun sa minuend na 165, which is our destination. So, from 65, ilang beses tayo mag-jump papunta sa 165? Mag-jump po tayo ng 100 times. And then, kapag nakarating na tayo dun sa number ng minuend, or yung ating destination, ang minuend, 165, ikakanta po natin yung number of times na nag-jump tayo. So, add natin, 3 plus 5 plus 100 is equals to 108. So, yun na po yung difference ng 165 minus 57 using the jump strategy. Okay, next, we have the third strategy, the shortcut strategy. So, paano naman ginagamit yung shortcut strategy sa subtraction? So, shortcut strategy is changing one of the numbers to a friendlier number. So, in case of subtraction, ang friendly number natin dito is the one that ends in 9. Kung dun sa subtraction, ang friendly number dun is a multiple of 10. Dito po sa subtraction, ang friendly number na tinatawag natin dito is the one that ends in 9. So, we have the step, adjust the number in the ones place of the minuend to 9. Let us have an example. So, isa na lang po yung ginamit kong example from first strategy down to the third strategy in subtraction. So, ito po yung 165 minus 57. So, sabi dito, i-adjust daw yung number ng sa ones place value ng minuend to 9. Okay, so dito sa 165 and 57, ang minuend po dito is 165. Since na hindi pa po 9 yung yung ones place value niya, gagawin po natin tong 9, yung 5. So, paano po natin gagawin yun? Mag-a-add po tayo. So, gagawin po natin siyang 169. So, 9 na po yung naging ones place value. So, paano nangyari yun? Nag-add po tayo ng 4. So, paano naging 169? Nag-add po tayo ng 4 para maging 9 yung ones place value. Since na nag-add po tayo ng 4 dito sa 165, mag-add din po tayo ng 4 dun sa 57. So, magiging na po siyang 61. And then, subtract. So, 9 minus 1 is 8. 6 minus 6 is 0. And then, bring down 1. So, that would be now the answer. So, the difference between 165 and 57 is 108 using the shortcut is strategy. So, that would be now my discussion. Thank you po. And then, for your quiz po, kindly answer this one. So, screenshot nyo na po. And here is the reference. Thank you.